Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at why I think Zilliqa could have a very bright future ahead of itself. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis, short term and long term, and we're also going to be looking at a few articles to do with Zilliqa explaining the potential it has. If you guys like anything I bring to you, a like, a subscribe or sharing the video really does help my channel out. And I want to get a conversation started down in the comment section below. I want to know what your guys' top 3 cryptocurrencies are for this next bull run that's going to be happening. I want to know down below. Leave your thoughts. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we start off by taking a look at Zilliqa's price, Zilliqa is currently just shy of 2 cents. And if we have a look at its chart over the 30-day, it is down 20%. But if you guys do remember, Zilliqa did go up 950% since March. So for it to show stability like it is now is a very positive sign in my opinion, because it is not taking a direct free fall. It is basically doing a sideways motion, which is a good sign in my opinion, because it means that it's staying above the resistance points. Now I want to show you this article to start off with. Zilliqa sees a big boost after gaining exposure on TikTok. Zilliqa became the newest coin to emerge and see promotions on TikTok. TikTok has also recently caused Doge's price to skyrocket and volume to surge. The crypto industry uses the video platform to promote the coins to pump their prices. The crypto community have been doing everything in its power to promote cryptocurrencies and drive adoption for over a decade. It took time before the process had started, but the last few years have really shown a lot of success due to such efforts. Whenever a crypto project entered a great partnership, got listed or on a major exchange, or got mentioned in the news, or by influential people, it would see major price boosts. Led by what they learned, some members of the community recently decided to promote crypto on one of the most popular platforms these days, TikTok. TikTok's role in promoting crypto. TikTok, as many already know, is a video platform for short clips which gathered a lot of attention in the last several years. However, some members of crypto world are now using that attention to promote crypto coins and pump their price, and it appears to be working. Well, it surely is a thing now, Zilliqa, TikTok. Now, in my opinion, I'm going to give my opinion on this. Now, I think it's always good to try and get the exposure out there more to do with cryptocurrency and let as many people know as possible about it. But I think doing it on TikTok is possibly not the best way in my opinion, because TikTok is surrounded by the younger audience, and so a lot of them would have never have heard of cryptocurrencies, and for someone, it's essentially a lot of power to be able to promote any sort of cryptocurrency, and I don't personally agree with it, but what it can do is it can effectively trick people into buying something that they don't have a clue about, which again isn't a good thing to have. And it can also inflate the price higher than what it should be naturally, which is again, it can be very bad for the cryptocurrency. So I just hope that Zilliqa isn't one of the main attentions for the minute on TikTok, but I have heard something about TikTok getting shut down. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. I don't use the app. But this is the next thing I want to show you. This is what Zilliqa tweeted. Happy to share that Binance USD BUSD, a USD peg stablecoin backed by the world's largest crypto exchange Binance, will come to the Zilliqa network. This will be via a tripartite collaboration between Zilliqa, Binance and our partner Switch.io network to build a bridge service connecting Ethereum and the Zilliqa chain. It will allow ERC20 BUSD to be moved to the Zilliqa chain and circulate as ZRC2 BUSD. So what does this mean? Hopefully this will answer it. Through this bridge, other ERC20 tokens can also be moved over to the Zilliqa blockchain. Once the bridge is functional, devs can start building dApps on Zilliqa using BUSD. Those who use this functionality will greatly benefit from fast and throughout low fees. Just one of the first steps Zilliqa has taken towards interoperability and DeFi. Interoperability will allow users to move their tokens to enjoy low fees and faster transactions. DeFi needs faster and cost-effective transactions to thrive, and Zilliqa is the answer. Now that is quite interesting in my opinion, because it's just another big step towards Zilliqa and what they are doing. As long as they stick on the road that they are sticking on, then that is a good sign in my opinion. I want to show you this. This was brought out in May. But Vitalik Buterin, sorry if I said that name wrong, but he is the creator of Ethereum. He is the main guy of Ethereum. A lot of you will know who he is, but he says that he backs or likes Zilliqa. Someone tweeted saying he probably acknowledges Cardano because that doesn't really pose an immediate challenge to Ethereum. Zilliqa is a really, really good position to do with that currently. And he said, I hereby acknowledge Zilliqa. And it says up here, what started off as Vitalik Buterin acknowledging that Cardano project on Twitter blossomed into the co-founder of Ethereum also acknowledging Zilliqa. He concluded that Zilliqa project has room to succeed and prosper. Price-wise, ZIL has increased in value by over 4 times since the coronavirus crash mid-March. Now, that is pretty big in my opinion, considering one of the biggest cryptocurrencies creators in the world has acknowledged Zilliqa, and he's basically keeping his eye on it, because that will be a good competition at some point, more than likely, if Zilliqa can continue to do what they want to do. Now, this is an article by Altcoin Buzz. I'm sure a lot of you would have heard of him on YouTube. Zilliqa to propel ahead as a DeFi leader. The next generation high-throughput blockchain platform Zilliqa has its eyes fixed on decentralized finance, DeFi. Now, in recent interview with Max Cantalina, co-founder of Zilliqa, summed the Q1/Q2 of 2020 and talked about their visions for the future. Strategic partnerships. With a strong emphasis on enhancing the security, compliance and privacy aspects of the network, Zilliqa has partnered with Elliptic, Chain Security and Incognito. Sorry if I said any of those wrong. And Switch.io. The platform kicked off of 2020 with Incognito partnership bringing private versions of ZIL token to its users. Interestingly, ZIL supports completely private asset transfer by using zero-knowledge proofs. And it says down here, greater decentralization with staking. With staking, Zilliqa promises increased decentralization of its network. The platform has opened up an access to its seed nodes. These are now being operated by enterprise partners like Xfers, several exchanges, Block Explorer provider ViewBlock, and the Zilliqa team. In April, the team announced significant progress in the Zilliqa staking project. As per the announcement, the staking smart contract code is now open source and live on the testnet, which is obviously a very good sign in my opinion. From dApps to DeFi, Zilliqa's vision to become a go-to platform for enterprises and applications in need of decentralized solution requires to be complete ecosystem. Over the last 3 years, the platform has laid strong foundation and served the real world with decentralized apps. As Max states, he is very proud to see entrepreneurs building dApps on top of Zilliqa. The rest of 2020 for Zilliqa. According to Max, the rest of 2020 is going to be equally exciting with major announcements for the rest of the year. Zilliqa focusing to create a modular network. This is going to be built on an open source principles, but the complete focus will be to improve the interoperability of payment and asset management applications. Which I just thought this was a very interesting article because it simplifies what a lot of the things they want to do, and it's very, very good in my opinion. I want to show you this very, very quickly, just in case none of you did know this, but if you guys have your Zilliqa on Binance, it's not advised you should have it in a wallet where it's safe, or you should have it in a nano ledger. But if you do have your cryptocurrencies on Binance, you can now go onto savings and flexible saving, which means you can basically put it on there and take it out whenever you want. Zilliqa is now on there and it estimates a yield of 1%, which means that you can get free interest. Basically, you can earn money just from staking your Zilliqa on there, or putting your Zilliqa on there, which is, again, that's just big moves in my opinion. It's a very good sign to see. I want to show you this. This is a price analysis of Zilliqa. Zilliqa intraday price analysis. Zilliqa remains among the most profitable cryptocurrencies in the market today, having presented a close to 10% value rise against the US dollar in the last 24 hours. Zilliqa is priced at 0.0189. Thanks to the market cap, which ranges around $193 million, Zilliqa is ranked the 43rd largest cryptocurrency. After a strong fisticuff with the forces of the bear, Zilliqa saw a strong breakout from the bearish zone exceeding the 0.0185 resistance barrier to attaining a new high for the last 8 days. The MACD line is beyond the signal line, indicating that the price reversal trend may be imminent. Also, the relative strength index is at present in the oversold zone. Hence, if a reversal trend is witnessed, Zilliqa may plummet largely, which it's 50-50. It all depends how these next few days go. So far, it hasn't had that big fall off, which is what a lot of people do not want, but so far it is showing very good signs of stability in my opinion, and if it can continue to do that, then it's going to aim towards the up region in my opinion, which can be 50-50, but we'll have to wait and see what does happen. And even if this is short term, but long term, I generally do think Zilliqa does have a bright future. This is all short term. This is why a lot of people do panic, and it's because if something's not going the way they want it to go in the last week, then they start to panic, and that's the case of cryptocurrency will not make you rich within a week. It can actually, to be fair, but I think a lot of people are expecting cryptocurrency to go to the moon tomorrow, and it simply does not work that way. It's all about patience, and it all depends on timing as well. So just because something is not going, is not continuing that 950% run, which I think is it can be very unhealthy if it continue to do that, then you will see stability, or you will see a free fall, in my opinion. Now, the last thing I want to show you, ladies and gentlemen, is 3 things you should know about the HG Exchange. HG Exchange is Southeast Asia's first member-driven private exchange. It is a private exchange formed by an alliance of leading financial intermediaries, individually licensed and regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. HG Exchange will make equities trading more efficient and transparent. HG Exchange is Zilliqa's first enterprise-ready project to use smart contracts to represent digital assets. Through HG Exchange, we hope to demonstrate how financial institutions worldwide can use Zilliqa's safe-by-design smart contracts to enable equities trading to be more efficient and transparent. HG Exchange is now live. HG Exchange is now live to accredited and institutional investors through member financial institutions, Phillip Capital, Prime Partners, and Fundinal. Those eligible may trade on HGX to gain investment opportunities into the private companies and unicorns and capture their value before they pursue an IPO via. Now, I wanted to share that with you guys because I think it's something that you should know if you look at Zilliqa at all. If you guys liked anything I brought to you, a like, a subscribe, or sharing the video does really help my channel out. That's all I've got for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.